Three. Hey folks, Brad here. I've seen a few people ask on the internet how to replace their cabin air filter on their Honda. I'm going to do that, or at least pull the line out and have a look at it. This is my 2018 Honda Clarity. It's only got about 28,000 kilometers on it, so I don't expect it to be that dirty. But nonetheless, this is how you do it on the Clarity. It must be on the Accord as well, and I'm pretty sure it's on the CRVs at the same time. So let's get to it. And the best part about this is you don't actually have to get that dirty because it's inside the car instead of outside like there are on some others. So let me reposition the light and we'll get right at it. Okay, this thing actually doesn't have a damper, like, well, a little bit one, but that's what this thing should be, and this is actually really simple. In order to get this off, it's even ribbed there, you just push on it with your thumb, and then it comes off. And then, of course, the glove box still doesn't want to come down, so you push that side and then this side to clear these things here, and there's one on both sides. And then, get the camera again, lo and behold, right there is your air filter. There's a couple of things you need to do. It even indicates which way the airflow is. There's a little tab. Oh, look at that. That'll work. There's a tab here and a tab there. And if you pull them at the same time with one hand, lo and behold, there's your air filter. Let's pull it out and have a look at it. Okay, so we're going to get the light again here. Wow, well this has only been, like I say, about a year, but there's a lot of crap in there. I should probably replace that. I didn't actually think I'd need to, so I didn't buy one, but wow, this is just a year. This makes me really nervous about what it looks like in my S2000, which I've never ever replaced. So anyway, that's all you got to do. Let me reposition the light and I'll show you how to snap it all back in. Pretty dead simple. Certainly between now and the next time I do this, I'm going to get a new filter. So let's do this. Light back down there, see where it goes in here, just slides in on the top part of the, doesn't seem to be any chance of it coming down, although it's not that sophisticated. Oops, and then, where did that piece go that I dropped? Right, here it is. So, it's even labeled airflow, so you have to sense what that is. Ordinarily I do this with two hands, but I'm not that sophisticated of a YouTuber yet, so I don't have all the right gear that you'd expect. So, is that in? There we go, there's a couple of clicks. Move this back out, reposition the camera, push these in on either side, just take my word for it. You can see there, oops, there you can see that one's in, and then that one is in as well. Where is it? Probably there. And then this little clippy thing, you just need to get it up a little bit, or frankly you can pull it down, but it is on a bit of a spring, and then you just snap it in. So you'll actually see it and feel it, and then there you go. Put your crap back in your glove box and you're done. That should be it, folks. Let me know if you have any questions or anything else. Certainly feel free to roast me about not actually having a replacement filter for this thing. But that's all it takes. It's dead simple, no tools, and about 10 whole minutes. So imagine how quick it'd be if you had two hands. So anyway, I hope you liked the video, and if you want to hear more about this kind of stuff, about myself or my Honda Clarity or my S2000 and all that, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much. We'll see you next video.